How to open two Excel files in separate windows to view them side by side in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure to open both files, and after that you need to first of all open our particular one. As you can see that we have opened our particular Excel sheet, and here is the first sample. So in order to open two Excel files in separate windows, you need to click on the maximize button at top right corner of the screen, and you need to choose the side by side pattern. And for now it has opened the OBS. So for the second one you need to simply choose the second sample. So let's cross this one, and after that you need to open the second sample in this way. So if it's not working in this way, simply you can choose the maximize button at top right, and here you can easily see there are different side by side patterns. Simply you need to choose this empty one, and after that you need to select the other one as second sample, and in this way you can open two Excel files in separate windows to view them side by side in Windows 11. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.